My name is Jazen. With athletics and basketball, it really makes me who I am today and taught me a lot of life lessons like communication, working with others, and being a part of a team and something bigger than just yourself. And not even just me in athletics, stuff like band or arts and theater. Those really provide a lot of important life lessons that you need, such as communication, working through adversity, working well with other people that you need in the workplace. And I feel like if those are taken away, then how else are you supposed to really learn those life lessons that you need? I understand that if the Levy doesn't pass, it would be like a pay-to-play sports. That's what I've heard, and it's I feel like that wouldn't be fair to everybody, because I feel like there's some families that can't afford that or don't have the same opportunity as somebody else, whether it be foster care kids or low-income homes. It's like they don't have the same chance to play the sport that they love as maybe another student who can't afford it. And I feel like Ferndale as a community, it's about everybody in unity and bringing everybody together, and everybody has the same chance as the next student, and everybody matters. And I feel like with the Levy not passing, it kind of divides us, and it's who can afford what, and so I feel like it doesn't show who Ferndale is, and yeah.